Hi guys, kamusta? I'm Red Quaresma from the Philippines and I'm a reactor. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button together the tiny bell button down below. And in this video, I'm going to react this introduction video of Miss Cosmo Indonesia 2024. And yeah, let's play this video guys. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright. Okay, let's count again in 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go.
Om Swastiastu. I am Ketut Permata Julia Stritsari, your Miss Cosmo Indonesia.
Oh. Wait. By the way guys, if you hear something noisy here on my reaction video, that is the sounds of vehicles outside because our house is besides of national highway, so I'm so sorry for the sound distraction. Alright, let's start from the start. Okay.
Om Swastiastu. I am Ketut
She's really
Permata Julia
beautiful.
Stritsari, your Miss Cosmo Indonesia.
Wait. Okay. So this is traditional costume
My biggest motivation to participate in Miss
Indonesia.
Cosmo International 2024 would be the opportunity to inspire others to protect our cultural and natural heritage.
She is
But
a good
also,
speaker
I
too.
would not miss a chance or an opportunity to learn and become better. As a Zillennial, I am concerned about intergenerational responsibility.
Oh, nice
We need to make
advocacy.
sure that our actions today do not compromise our future generations to be able to live in a healthy and thriving world.
Okay.
By being self-aware, reducing waste as much as I
Oh
can,
my god, she's really
and support
beautiful. I
any
like her
efforts
skin
there is
color.
regarding conservation, I hope that I can make an impact that would benefit the future, the younger generations.
Yes, nice. Wow, very beautiful Indonesia. Nice Indonesia. Okay. Actually, Indonesia is one of the most beautiful candidate for this competition of Miss Cosmo. I like her skin color. What do you call that? Golden brown. She is really beautiful in her color, and she can speak well. She is a good speaker. Yeah, we support you, Indonesia. Thank you for your beautiful introduction. Alright, if you like this video guys, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have any requests, you comment down below. And see you on my next reaction video. Bye!